Hi, my name is Morgan Chamberlain, and in this presentation today, I will go over Amazon's annual report and give you a financial analysis of the company. Amazon can be classified as being a part of many different industries, but the primary one being electronic commerce. This means that people can buy or sell products on the internet using phones, iPads, computers, etc. As far as goods and services go that Amazon provides, it would be buying things such as books, music, movies, houseware, electronics, toys, and many other things. And a bonus to that is that they deliver it to wherever you'd like. Your home, your parents, maybe your sister, brother, wherever. Amazon was founded on July 5th of 1994 by a man named Jeff Bezos and has roughly been around for 27 years. One of the reasons I selected this company was because they seemed to be a pretty profitable company, and I wanted to see if the numbers off paper matched with numbers on paper. Another reason I chose this company was because I do buy things off of them pretty frequently and thought it would be really interesting to look at their numbers on paper. Amazon has a liquidity of $2.95 billion, with their total assets being $420.5 billion. Their liability was $142.2 billion, and their owner's equity was $278.2 billion. On Amazon's income statement, it showed that they had a sales/revenue of $469.8 billion, with their operating expenses being $444.9 billion, and they had a net profit of $33.36 billion. On Amazon's cash flow statement, their net operating cash flow was $46.33 billion. They had a net investing cash flow of $58.15 billion and a net financing cash flow of $6.29 billion. In conclusion, Amazon has lived up to its reputation on paper as much as it does off, and hopefully they can continue to grow their company within the future. One Bible verse that comes to mind while doing this project would be Proverbs 13:11. Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow. I think this is very important to remember as we grow a business or a company, as it could be the building block of the company. Thank you for listening to my presentation.